Welcome to the Don Imran family kitchen. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make East African style samosa. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. Absolutely superb. It's just so crispy, just so yummy. So just added some lemon into it. Let's just have it now. Bismillah. Wow. It is as though you have reached the pinnacle of a mountain and the satisfaction of having walked up for hours with all those adverse conditions, and then you just get out there and then you have that samosa. How is that gonna feel? Now let's move on to the recipe. Okay, so you saw how to make this East African style samosa. The way my mom makes it, the East African style, it's a very specific way of making it. It's quite different from what you find in the subcontinent. So that's what makes it very unique. And everybody that ever has it absolutely loves it and adores it. You know, once they have it, once they have my mom's samosa, it's like there's no going back. It's like whatever samosa they had before that, it's erased from their memory, and this becomes their reality. So with that said, do like the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Comment below whether you are going to try this East African style samosa, and do let us know if there's any recommendations that you have as to what you'd like to see us making in terms of snacks. And with that said, catch you in the next one.